So it is a official UGC public notice, and it was published on 16th August 2019. And while coming to the subject of this notice is reservation for economically weaker sections for admission in higher educational institutions. So, sir or madam, kindly find enclosed here with a copy of MHRD office memorandum dated 17th January 2019 regarding the implementation of reservation for EWS category for admission in higher educational institutions in accordance with 103rd 103 Amendment of Constitution of India for its immediate implementation and compliance. That means UGC published one memorandum that came from the MHRD office to immediate implementation of EWS category admission in higher educational institutions. Okay, so that is the main theme of this letter. And while coming to the next page, here I am going to show you one point that see the provision of reservations to the EWS category shall be in accordance with the directions contained in the office memorandum number dated 17th January 2019 of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and shall be subject to the following. So here this reservation is going to be followed for admission in central education institutions and all these things from 2019 to 20 academic year onwards. But here the main point is that the above reservation would not be applicable to the 8 institutions of excellence, research institutions, and institutions of national and strategic importance as specified in the schedule to the central educational institutions reservation and admission as amended from time to time. That means this EWS category reservation is not applicable to the 8 institutions of excellence and research institutions and institutions of national and strategic importance as specified in the schedule. Okay, so two such type of institutions, the above, that means EWS reservation is not at all applicable. And I will show this 8 institutes of excellence. So in such type of institutes, the EWS category reservation is not applicable. See, these are the institutions, the central educational institutions, and the name of institutions of excellence. See, while coming to the Homi Bhabha National Institute and Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science, National Brain Research Center, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, Physical Research Laboratory, Space Physics Laboratory, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun. So to these 8 institutes, the EWS category reservation is not at all applicable. Okay? So that is the concept of this letter. And please don't forget to subscribe and share the channel to get the more updates regarding whatever the topics we said earlier. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon, and if this information is also useful to your friends and colleagues, then please share this channel link to them also. Thank you.